Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to show you a layout that I made using that January Kiwi Club Kit called Sky's the Limit. And this is just a couple pages from the Ideas to Inspire book. Remember, these are free every month. Whether you are a club member or not, you can get these. So don't forget to take the time to check those out. The layouts and ideas and sketches that are in them are always fantastic. So if you remember, these are the templates that are included in this month's kit. Whoop. So I will be featuring those. And honestly, this layout that's on the front of the Ideas to Inspire is the one that was my inspiration for the page that I ended up doing. So let me show you what that looks like. I ended up using that idea for my calendar page this month. So here's the main calendar page. And I love that this month's kit came with some really basic shapes. So what I ended up doing was using Fly High 6 to make two of these big triangles. And I really just, I like the symmetrical feel of this. So that was kind of what I went with. So I've got Fly High 6 here and Fly High 6 here. I can use this when I decide what photos I want to put in here to help me cut my photo, okay? So I already checked. If you did this right on a 4x6 that was in that portrait style, it's going to be a tiny bit short, so you could skew it just a little or just kind of trace it so that that diamond is going to be a tiny bit smaller, okay? So anyway, so I've got those two. And then this Fly High 5 was just perfect for this size. And then the Fly High 4 was just a little bit smaller than what I wanted for this particular embellishment card that I wanted to use. So I used the tracing discs to go around that. I just made it 1/8 of an inch larger all the way around. And I stuck with that size for these other two orange triangles just to keep that kind of feeling. Okay, as far as this little banner up in the corner, this is Fly High 2, and the kit came with several of these words that fit just perfectly on this little banner. So super cute. And then I decided to back it. Again, I just used the tracing disc around this template and made that just a little bit bigger to go there. As far as the balloon, Fly High 3 is also included in this month's kit. So I used this, traced the basket just separately on another piece of paper, and then I just used a little bit of twine to create that look on the bottom of the balloon. But when I make my calendar pages, I need them to be something that's going to go with just some pictures that I have from the previous January. So I try to keep them relatively, generic's not the right word, but it's got to just apply to a lot of different things. So loving this. And then I'll show you the kind of bottom. If you're a calendar person, this was what I did down here. So You Were Made to Soar. I used our little balloon, hot air balloon a la carte there. And then this little paper airplane. I thought I heard that this hot air balloon was sold out in the shop. I could be wrong. I do have a few of those. If you are somebody who ends up realizing you need one, just let me know. All right, and then I've got this little airplane. This is Fly High 1, and I just doodled this little piece here. I am trying to remember what template I used for that. I will have to dig through and see. I cannot remember which one that is right off the top of my head, but I will look. So let me see if I can show you the whole thing. So here we go. And then it just slides. If I slide this way, That gives you a little bit of a vision of what the whole thing looks like. I think it's important to realize that if you're not somebody who likes to do calendars, but you do single page layouts or even double page layouts, this is a good jumping off place for that. One of the things that I was thinking about when I created this is, would I want to do the photos right on these diamonds, or would I want to do it a little bit differently? So I did pull out some of my mats just to get an idea. And I was thinking about something like this, where you could do like a 4x5 here and still see that there's that diamond shape, right? Still get the feel of that. And then a little 3x4. And then if you kind of reversed it, you could continue this way. So you could actually fit 4 photos on here pretty easily and still keep the feel of that diamond shape, have that really beautiful pop of color from the background, but fit several photos on here. So just kind of food for thought as you're designing with these diamonds. I think there's a lot of flexibility as far as how you end up deciding to use them. So, a lot of fun this month. I love the colors in this kit. Very bright, vibrant, and they're going to go with lots of really cool photos. So I hope that this gives you some ideas and that you stop by my channel another time soon. So take care in whatever you're doing. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.